Hey guys, Captain Keith from Clearwater.
Captain Nick Pavlak is from MarineMax in St. Petersburg.
So today we're going to kind of run through some differences, some pros and cons of like a Bimini top, a boat that has an arch, maybe a boat that has a hard top and or a T-top. On this Boston Whaler 21 Montauk, this has a Bimini top. The Biminis are gonna give you a ton of shade. It's got a lot of coverage. It's beam to beam. It's down low, so it's gonna have a big footprint, big shadow coming down. The nice thing about these is if you've got a bridge or something you have to get underneath, low profile, you can drop this down, just remove the straps, right? And this whole thing will just kind of accordion up, or your boat might be a little different. It might fold back, but this will just come up like this. And then at this point, we can pull the pins on these, roll them around, then the whole top will just drop down. Another little quick tip on these, on your Bimini tops with the straps. So in order to get like a harmonic vibration going on this, when you're running your boat, the wind will be hitting it, it'll be kind of like a banjo string. If you just give this a couple twists and then hook it back up, those twists in there are actually intentional. So when the wind's going by this, it kind of gets on this and I guess it just kind of spins it around so you won't get that. So we'll jump over to this other boat here. Nick's on a Sea Ray with an arch.
Well, a lot of these Sea Rays do come with Bimini tops as well. If you're looking for something a little bit sportier, some people think that they're a little bit more aesthetically pleasing too. We have what's called a sports arch. Now you still can bring this down if you have storage challenges because of the height of a boat, or of course a low hanging bridge with some clearance issues. You get all of that. You can also pull a skeeter from the top, wakeboard or whatever you want. It's sleek, it's good looking. This is the sports arch and you're still gonna have all that shade up top.